keeps its nearly 30-year-old Air Max Plus alive with fresh designs, particularly the trademark gradient fade that sneakers fans continue to admire. Dropping Holiday 2025, the newest edition blends Burgundy Crush, Cactus Flower, and Pink Spell into a bold, gender-fluid color palette. The purple to pink mesh fade pairs seamlessly with the lava-inspired overlay and dark red midsole, while pink details extend onto the outsole to tie the look together. The signature yellow TN logo on the heel nods back to tradition, preserving its heritage appeal. Though this release is officially a women's exclusive, its striking design will likely push men to seek out larger sizes. With strong colorway rollouts like this, Nike shows how the Air Max Plus continues to thrive and promises to keep its influence strong in the sneaker scene for years ahead.